So here we are creating the SAP ABAP first program, and in this we're creating the first program. So for creation of the first program, these are the steps. I'll do all these steps on the screen on the system, and after that we can recheck this steps. So what I'll do right now is I'll go into a transaction code called SC38, which happens to be for creation of program. Now here you should start the name of the program with either Z or with Y, because the alphabets A to X are reserved by SAP. Now what I'll do is I'll go for Z VIP demo 1. So when I say this one, I'll be able to create it because it will start. So first program, you can give any title. Title is not title does not matter no matter what you give. In type you should give it as executable program, and then that's it. So click on save. Then we need to click on save. As of now, we didn't create a package. In the next coming sessions, we are going to create a package. So we'll simply click on local object. Now this is called ABAP editor screen. So this is where we are going to write the logic. So every program we are going to create it here. As of now, I'll just give a simple write statement here. And then, as I said you in the theory, you need to save. For saving, Control S. For syntax check, Control F2. And for activation, Control F3, and execute F8 and back F3. So these are the steps that we have to follow. So we need to save this, syntax check, activate, execute. So my first program. This is done. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and, so these are the steps that we have. Save, syntax check, activate, and execute. So for all these, we have a shortcuts as well. So execute, and this is my first program, and back. That's it. So these are the steps for creation of our first program in SAP ABAP.
Sir, here report